Good morning and welcome you all to the second episode of the Sunday Special Math Magic brought to you by Samit Ray Foundation. Samit Ray Foundation, as you all know, is believing in equality of education by aiding meritorious students with financial difficulties. Continuation from last week, we are very lucky to have with us Professor Samit Ray, Chairman of Adamas International School and Adamas World School with us to take us through the journey of magical maths. Sir, welcome.
Yes, good morning. I think that all of my students enjoying the maths. I believe maths is a subject if you want to create the interest of the students. So all of my students will love the maths. The first day of the maths, already I have started the method of multiplications and method of square, and the second day, first I will provide the answer because already you have done the some multiplication and the square, so it will be good one if I provide the result of the that homework. The first problem was 67 into 62, answer 4154. The second problem 83 into 42, answer 3486. Third 64 into 33, answer 2112. Fourth problem, that is number 4, 72 into 33, answer 2376. And fifth or the number 5 problem, 96 into 33, 3168. These are the answers. I think it will help you to correct the answers, and yes, again I will repeat the some process because today also some number of students participate this class also. So I think it will help you to know how we are doing the maths. Yes, it is a new process, new method. We have to take care. Yes, naturally way. You are learning the maths in the natural way, where especially the school teachers are teaching you. So you will learn both the process because it will help you, and especially after class 12 when you will face or sit for the all India exams, these methods will help you, and that is the aim. Next problem in a row. 77 into 32, problem number 1, answer 2464. And the second problem 88 into 22 in a row, answer 1936. Third problem 94 into 32, answer 3008. Number 4 problem 22 into 92, 2024. And the number 5, answer 62 into 65, 4030. 82 into 72, answer 5904. And number 7, 81 into 33, answer 2673. Yes, step 3 for the multiplications. The problem, first problem, 342 into 311, answer 106362. Second problem, 523 into 612, answer 320076. Number 3 problem, 421 into 312, answer 131352. Number 4 problem, 621 into 323, answer 200583. And number 5 problem, 232 into 431, answer 99992. And now I will provide the result of the number of squares. First problem 63 whole square, answer 3969. Number 2 problem 83 whole square, answer 6889. Number 3 answer 99 whole square, 9801. Number 4 problem 97 whole square, 9409. Number 5 problem 107 whole square, answer 11449. Number 6 problem 94 whole square, 8836. Number 7 problem 114 whole square, answer 12996. Number 8 problem 117 whole square, answer 13689. Number 9 problem 123 whole square, answer 15129. And number 10 125 whole square, answer 15625. So I think it will help you to correct the answer. Today I will start again the one portions of the multiplication and another portion of the square. So first I will start from step 1 just for your informations. Method of multiplication. Step 1. (42, 34), right? This is the first row and this is the second row, and this is the first column, this is the second column. We will consider the first column, that is straight, right? 4 into 2, 8. When we will consider the second column, the operation will be cross and add. We will multiply the numbers diagonally. 4 into 4, 16. 3 into 2, 6. 16 plus 6, 22. 2 in hand, again straight. 3 into 4, 12 plus 2, 14. Answer 1428. I think the concept of the maths and the method of operations is clear to all, because today again I will go for the next steps. So step 2. Step 2, 53 into 41 in a row. Step 1, F to F, 4 to 4. Number 2, N to N and F to F and add. Number 3, F to F. F, that means far to far. N, that is near. Far to far. The first point, from which point we will start. Yes, we will consider the left hand numbers, and the unit numbers of the left hand number will be the starting point, that is 3. Far to far, step 1. 3 into 1, 3. Near to near, 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 1, 5. 12 plus 5, 17. 1 in hand. Next 5 into 4, step 3. 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Right? This is a step 2. 92 into 44. From which point we will start? We will consider the left hand number, and then the unit digit of the left hand number will be the starting point. Number 1, 4 to 4, 4 into 2, 8, right? Number 2, near to near and far to far, 9 into 4, 36. 4 into 2, 8. 36 plus 8, 44. 4 in hand. Next 36 plus 4, that is 40. 4048. This is the answer. Step 3. Four, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. We will consider the first column, the figure will be straight. When you will consider the second column, the figure will be crossed. We will multiply the number diagonally and add. When it will be the cross, it will be add, right? When we consider the third column, the figure will be cross and straight. Cross, that means we will multiply diagonally, right? And then straight. all numbers will be added, right? After considering the three columns, we will omit the first column, then the operation will be cross, and then we will omit the second column, the operation will be straight. How it is possible? Yes, when we will consider the first column, that is 4 into 2, 8. Clear? When we consider the second column, will be cross, 3 into 4, 12, and 2 into 2, 4. 12 plus 4, 16, 1 in hand. When we consider the third column, the figure will be diagonally multiplication, 4 into 4, 16, 2 into 1, 2, 18, and 3 into 2, 6, 18 plus 6, 24, plus 1, 25, 2 in hand. When we consider the third column, we will omit the first column, right? 2 in hand. 4 into 2, 8, and 3 into 1, 3. 8 plus 3, 11, plus 2, 13. 1 in hand. 4 into 1, that is 5, right? Again, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2. Straight, 2 into 2, 4, then cross, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 in hand. Next, 4 into 8, 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 2, 6, 8 plus 6, 14, 3 into 2, 6, 20, plus 1, 21, 2 in hand. Next, 9, 8, 17, plus 2, 19, 1 in hand, 13. 139104. Yes. So next I will start the step 4. Step 4. First we will try to visualize the process, then we will start to calculate the problems. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Right. The 4 digit will be multiplied by the 4 digit. First we will consider the first column, the picture will be straight. When we consider the second column, the picture will be cross. When cross, that will be add. When we consider the third column, the picture will be cross and straight, right? Like the third steps. When we consider the four columns, my picture will be cross and straight, cross and cross, right? Bigger cross, that means we will multiply the extreme corner numbers, right, and then add. And the smaller cross, that means we will multiply diagonally in the mid numbers, and all numbers will be added after multiplications. After considering the 4 columns, again we will omit the first column, right? So after omitting the first column, there is the 3 columns, this, and this. My picture will be again cross and straight. After taking the third column, again we will omit the second column, then my picture will be cross and then straight. It is very logical. Try to visualize the pictures. Yes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. There's a 4 numbers and 4 numbers. Yes. So first we will consider the first column, that is straight. When we consider the second column, that will be the cross. When we consider the third column, that is cross and straight. When we consider the fourth column, that is cross and cross. The bigger cross, that means extreme numbers of the extreme corner of the numbers we will multiply, and the cross of the smaller size, that means we will multiply the mid 2 columns diagonally. After considering the 4 columns, we will omit the first column, so there is a 3 digits. The operation will be cross and straight. When we consider the third columns, we will omit the second column. There is only 2 columns left. then again cross and then straight, and that is the logic. I think try to visualize and close your eyes, then the figure will be clear. Yes, so straight, 2 into 1, that is 2, right? Then cross, 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 1, 2, 6 plus 2, 8. When you consider the third column, 4 and 3, 7, and 3 into 2, 6, 7 plus 6, 13, right? 1 in hand. Next, when you consider the fourth column, 3 into 2, 6, and 2 into 1, 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 into 2, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 3 into 3, 9, 21 plus 1, 22, right? 1 in hand, 2 in hand. We will omit this column. 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 2, 6, 12, 3 into 2, 6, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 2, 20, 2 in hand, right? 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 2, 4, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15, 1 in hand, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Answer 7502382, right? Try, close your eyes, try to visualize the first steps of the cross multiplication, 2 digit by 2 digit. First we will consider the first column, that will be the straight. When we consider the second column, it will be cross and add. Then we will omit the first column, only there is a straight, right? So 22 into 21, 2 digit into 2 by the 2 digit. So first straight, only one column. When you consider the 2 column, that is cross and add. After considering the 2 columns, we will omit the first column, that is straight. That is clear. In case of 3 digit numbers, 3 2 1, 3 2 2, right? When you consider the first column, that is straight. When you consider the first column and the second column, the operation will be cross. When you consider the third column, that is this, this and this, the symbol was cross and straight. Clear? After considering the 3 columns, we will omit the first column. There is only 2 columns. In case of the 2 columns, the symbol will be cross, right? Then we will omit this and then straight. Clear? So again, the similar way, we are multiplying by the 4 digit by the 4 digit. So again, you close your eyes and try to visualize. Number 1 column straight, second column, that is cross and add. When you consider the 3 columns, cross and straight, right? When you consider the 4 columns, that is cross and then cross. After considering the 4 columns, we will omit the first column, only there is a 3 columns, so cross and straight, right? After considering the 3 columns, again we will omit the second column, only 2 columns is there, so cross and then straight. Step 4. Yes, we can take another example. 2 2 3 2 2 2 4 1, right? First we will consider the first column, that is straight. Clear? 2 into 1 2. We will consider the second column, that is cross, that is add. That means 4 into 2 8, 3 into 1 3, 8 plus 4 11, 1 in hand. When you consider the third column, that is cross and straight, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, that is 6, 3 into 4 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 1 19, 1 in hand. When you consider the fourth column, there is extreme corners multiplications, there is bigger cross, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 4 plus 2, that is 6, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, and 3 into 2, 6, 14 plus 6, 20, plus 1, 21, 2 in hand, right? We will omit the first columns. There's the 3 columns, right? 4 into 2, 8, and 3 into 2, 6, 14, and 2 into 2, 4, 18 plus 2, 2 in hand, right? Next, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 in hand, right? 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Answer 5, 0, 0, 1, 9 and 1, 2, right? Just step 2 of multiplications. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 columns. The picture was first column straight, second column was the cross, and third step was the straight, right? Straight, cross, when it will be cross, that will be add, right? After multiplication of the 2 numbers diagonally, and then straight. When they are the 3 digit, right, the picture will be straight, straight. When we consider the first column, when we consider the second column, that will be cross, right? In case of third column, that will be cross and straight. That means extreme corner multiplications. Add and then again straight, right? After considering the 3 columns, we will omit the first column. Only 2 columns is there, that is cross, then straight, right? So try to visualize the difference between the 2 numbers into 2 numbers multiplication, 3 numbers and 3 numbers multiplication, and the 4 digit multiplications of the 4 digit, right? So, and when we consider the 4 numbers, the picture will be, we'll consider the first column, that is straight, consider the second column, that is cross, and the third column cross and straight. The step of the first 3 digit into multiply by the 3 digit, and the 4 digit multiply the 4 digit is the same. The first straight. When we consider the second column, that is cross. When we consider the third column, cross and straight. Clear? When we consider the fourth column, the operation will be cross and cross. The bigger cross, that means the extreme corners numbers will multiply the extreme corner numbers, right? That means this 2 and 2, right? And 3 and 2, right? After considering the 4 columns, we will omit the first column. Then again the 3 digits. In case of 3 digits, when we consider the 3 columns, the figure will be the same, right? So cross and straight, right? Again we will omit the second columns. It should be the similar to the 2 digits. These are 2 digits, right? That is cross and then straight. I think it will be clear to all of my students that what will happening in case of the 2 digit multiply by the 2 digit, 3 digit multiply by the 3 digit, and the 4 digit multiply by the 4 digit. So we can consider another example of the 4 digit numbers. Straight, 3 into 2, 6. Cross, 12 plus 4, 16. 1 in hand. Cross and straight. 6, 4, 10, 8, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 in hand, then cross and cross. 9, 2, 11, 8, 19, 4, 23 plus 1, 24, 2 in hand, right? 6 and 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16, 1 in hand. Next 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, and next 3. Answer 3964966. First we have to visualize the pictures and then we will start to calculate the problem in a quicker way, right? When the image of the operation will be clear, then you will able to earn the capability, or you will be able to solve the problems in a quicker time, right? This is our the agenda. Now step 5. Yes, I think there's a you may put your one question that how we can multiply 3 numbers multiplied by the 2 digits, right? It is very easy because only we will put 1 0 here. So it will be like 3 digit into by the 3 digit multiplications. So what will be the pictures of that multiplications? Again we will consider the first column, that is straight. Clear? When we consider the second columns, the picture will be cross. Clear? When we consider the third column, the picture will be right. Dot means 1 into 0, that is 0. We can skip that steps also. Just we will multiply this number and this number and this number and add. When we consider the 3 digits, after considering the 3 digits, we will omit again the first columns. That there are 2 columns. So 2 columns, the figure will be right. Again the dot means 2 into 0, that is 0. Again the straight, that is 0, right? So 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, we will put here 0. When we consider the first column, 3 into 1, 3, right? When we consider the second column, 3 into 2, 6, 2, 8, clear? When you consider the third column, 3 into 3, 9, and 2 into 2, 4, 9 plus 4, 13, right? 1 in hand. Next 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7, right? Just I am omitting the step 1 into something, 1 into multiply by the 0, or 2 into multiply of 0, that is 0. So just you will can skip the steps without calculations of 1 into 0 and 2 into 0, and that is the technique of the maths which will help you to solve the problem, to bring the results of the multiplications in a shorter time.
So we'll take a small break from here and we'll come back soon. Keep practicing. Today we have learned 2 new sums, so keep practicing till we come back. Welcome back. Before we resume our classes, let's give a very good information to you all. You must be aware that ICSE and ISC board exam results are out. Well, both put together, from Adamas International School, we had 522 students who appeared for the exam, and each and every student has passed with flying colors. The ISC highest score is 99.5%. and ICSE high score is 98.8%. It's indeed a very proud moment for you, for us, and the entire Adamas family. Well, let's start preparing for ourselves and get back to the class. Sir.
Yes. So, step 5. 3, 4, 3, 2, 4. We'll put here the 0, right? We will assume here the 0. Again, we will treat like that 3 digit multiplied by the 3 digit. Straight, right? When you consider the second column, the operation will be cross and then straight. When you consider the 3 columns, the cross and straight, that is 3 into 0, that is 0. Okay, so we will put here dot, right. After considering the 3 columns, again we will omit the first columns. There's only two columns. The multiplications will be only cross and then again straight, that is 0. So 3 into 4, 12, 1 in hand. Cross, 4 into 4, 16, 3 into 2, 6. 16 plus 6, 22 plus 1, 23. 2 in hand. When we consider the third column, that is 3 into 4, 12, and 3 into 0, that is 0, and 4 into 2, 8, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 2, 22. 2 in hand. Again 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, that is 8. 4 into 0, that is 0, and then again 0. So we will omit the steps, right? Step 6. I think now you will be able to multiply by the 4 digit by 3 digit, right? Again we will put here the 0. Try to imagine what will be the steps. When you consider first column, straight. When you consider the second column, that will be cross. When you consider the third columns, cross and straight. When you consider the fourth column, that is cross and cross, that is 2 into 0, that is 0, right, right, and then cross. When you consider after considering the 4 columns, we will omit the first column, only the 3 columns is there. Again cross and straight, right. When we omit the second columns, that figure will be right and then straight. Okay, actually this is a question of saving the time, saving of seconds and the minutes. So when we consider the 3 into 0, that is 0, it take some seconds. So to avoid to take the seconds, we can overlook or step jump 3 into 0, that is 0, right? That is my agenda. So again we try to visualize the steps, right? 4 digit into 3 digit, straight and then cross straight. In case of the 4 columns, the extreme number 3 into 2 into 0, that is 0. So only we will multiply this and this extreme, these 2 numbers and this mid of the 2 numbers, right? And then we consider the 3 columns. Again we will omit that 3 and we consider the 2 columns and the only 1 columns. Just 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. First we will try to visualize the numbers or the pictures, right? When we multiply 3 digit by the 2 digit, straight, cross straight, and then right. Dot means 3 into 0, that is 0, 4 into 0, that is 0, 3 into 0, that is 0. But in case of the 4 numbers, again we will trying to draw similarity between the 3 digit into 2 digit and the 4 digit into 3 digits. So when we will consider the first column, that is straight. When we consider the second column, that is the cross, right? When we consider the third column, that is cross and straight. When we consider the 4 columns, right, that is 1 into 0, that is 0, right, then cross. After considering the 4 columns, we will omit the first columns. These are only 3 columns. In case of 3 columns, right, this will be similar, right, 2 into 0, right. In case of the 2 columns, that is cross and straight, and then again straight. This is the first column, this is the second column, that is the third column, that is the fourth columns, and in case of the third column, 3 column, the picture will be this. So it will be good one. We can draw right. Yes, in case of the 4 digit into 4 digit, straight, then the cross and straight, then cross and cross. Clear? After considering the 4 columns, we will omit the first columns, again cross and straight, then cross and then straight. In case of the 4 digits multiplied by the 3 digits, we can consider that straight. This is similar. We can consider the 2 columns. It is also similar. In case of 3 columns, cross and straight, it is also similar. In case of the 4 digits number, when there is the 0, my picture will be right. Only the exceptional area is this. After considering the 4 columns, we will omit again the first columns, right? Then the operation will be right. Again there is the exceptional, this and this, right? After considering the 3 columns, again we will omit the second columns. The picture will be right. This is the exceptional, and again the straight. Also this is exceptional steps. This is the comparison between the 4 digit into 4 digit and 4 digit into 3 digit. In case of the problems, we will not draw the pictures, not the pictures, right? Yes, 3 2 1 2 1 2 2 3, straight, 6, cross, 4 plus 3, that is 7, right? In case of 3 columns, 6, 4, 10 and 2, 12, 1 in hand, 9, 2, 11, 4, 15, 17, 18, 1 in hand, right? 6, 1, 7, 4, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 in hand. Next 6 and 2, 8 plus 1, 9 and 3. That is 3, 9, 2, 8, 2, 7, 6. So there is no questions of the drawing figures or the pictures. Only for the visualizations we are trying to draw the pictures, right? I think it will help you to image to create the image of the all the figure and to visualize you the all the step. That is only the agenda, because in the examination you cannot draw in that way. It take a more time, right? So I think now the multiplications of the numbers is clear. I can multiply by the 12 numbers into by 12 digits, but in case of the schools or the competitive examination, it is not necessary to learn these things. I think it will help you for the examination, and we will try to learn which will be necessary for the examinations, right? So now we can shift to the next chapter, method of square. Step 1, right? 41 whole square. I think you will be able to remember that is a square 2ab into b square. My agenda was that all of we are aware about this formula, a square 2ab plus b square, right? Just I will bring some changes here. Right. In case of my operations, I will move from the back end, right? So now this a is 4 and this b is 1. First b square. So 1 square, that is 1. 2 into a into b, that is 4 into 1. 4 into 2, that is 8. Right? Next a square, that is 16. 4 whole square, that is 16. But we have to put one sign here, not equal to. We cannot write ab square equal to a square dot 2ab dot b square. Just we are trying to find some similarity with that equation, a plus b whole square. That is my agenda. Again, we can consider another number, 63 whole square. This is a, that is b. A dot b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So we are replacing the plus, right. So 63 is similar to these formations, a dot b. Now b square, that is 9. Okay, 2 into b, 6 into 3, 18 into 2, that is 36, right? 6 into 3 into 2, 6 into 2, that is 12 into 3, 36. 12 into 3, 36. 3 in hand. Next a square, 36, that is 36 plus 3, 39. Right. We can apply the step 1 from the range 11 to 99. Now step 2. Yes. Step 2, 106 whole square. Right? That is 106 whole square. Step 2, 106 whole square, that is 100 base. How much more? This number, that is 6. We will make the square of that extra of the numbers. That is 6 whole square, that is 36. There should be 2 places to put the answer of the squares. Now the original number 106, how much more than 100? That is 6. We will add this 6. 106 plus 6, 112. That is my answer. right? 112 whole square. This is extra whole square, and this is original number plus extra plus extra. 112 whole square, again we will consider the 100 numbers. How much more this number? That is 12. 12 whole square, that is 144. We can put only two numbers as there is a two place only, right? 144, 44, 1 in hand. Original number 112 plus 12. How much more? That's 12. 124 plus 1, 125. Answer 12544. Right? Step 2. 113 whole square. 100 is the base. How much more? That is 13. 13 whole square 169. That is 69. 1 in hand. 113 plus 13. 126 plus 1. 127. Right? That means this number extra whole square and this number original number plus extra plus in hand. Here original number 113, extra 13 and plus in hand, there is 1. There is 126 plus 1, that is 127. This. So I think all of you are aware about this square of this number. 121, 12 into 12, 144, 13 into 13, 169, 14 into 14, 196, 15 into 15, 225, 16 into 16, 256, 17 into 17, 289, 18 into 18, 324, 19 into 19, 361, 20 into 20, 400, 21 into 21, 441, 22 into 22, 484, and 23 into 23, 529, 24 into 24, 576, and 25 into 25, 625. Right? So we have to memorize these numbers because it will help to make the square of any number. Right? So with the help of the step 2, we can calculate, we can square of any numbers from 101 to 125. So what is the steps to 123 whole square? How much more? 23. 23 into 23, that is 529. We will put the two numbers only, that is 29. Right? Again, 123 plus 23, 146. 146 plus 5. 146 plus 5, 151. 151. That is my number, answer will be 151 and 29. Clear? So application range of the step 2 is 101 to 125. we have to compulsory memorize this part and this part. Please take your note. 11 into 11, 121, 12 into 12, 104, 13 into 13, 169, 14 into 14, 196, 15 into 15, 225, 16 into 16, 256, 17 into 17, 289, and 18 into 18, 324, 19 into 19, 361, 20 into 20, 400, 21 into 21, 441, 22 into 22, 484, 23 into 23, 529, and 24 into 24, 576, and 25 into 25, 625. Right? Now we'll go for the step 3. Step 3, (96) whole square. We can solve this square of the 2 digit with the help of the step 1, that is AB method, B square 2AB, and the A square. Right? But we can help in the quicker way with the help of the step 3, considering the base 100. How much less? That is 4 is the less, right? So 4 square, that is 16, right? And then how much less? We will deduct that numbers from the original number, that is 92, 9216. That means this is reduction whole square, and this is original number minus reductions. I will come back within a short time, right, regarding the step 3 and 5 and 6.
So we'll quickly take a quick break and come back. Till then, keep practicing. Welcome back. Without any further ado, let's get back to our class. Sir.
Yes. So what is the difference between the step 2 and step 3? There is step 2, 106 whole square. My base was 100. How much more? That is 6 more. We are making the square of the 6, 36, and we are putting here 36 because they are the 2 places, right, for the square results. Now the original number is plus 106 plus 6, that is 112. 112. So what is the formula? This is extra whole square, and this original number plus extra, right? 112 whole square. How much more? 12 whole square, 44. 1 in hand. Original number 112 plus how much more? That is 12, 124 plus 1, 125. That is original number plus extra plus in hand. But in case of step 3, that is 96 whole square. Now we are comparing how much less, not more. How much less? That is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square, that is 16. Right? So this called reduct whole square. In case of extra whole square, that is reduct whole square. The original number 96, how much less? Minus 4, that is 92. That is 92. Answer 9216. That is original number minus reduction. Minus reduction. This is the original number plus extra, and this is original number minus reduction. Here the reduction whole square, and this is the extra whole square. Extra whole square. When the number will be more than 100, we will treat it as extra. When the number will be less than 100, will be treated as the reductions. Right? This is clear. This is a comparative study between the step 2 and step 3, which will help you to understand what is the difference between the step 2 and the step 3. Again, we can take another example. 88 whole square. How much less? That is 12. 12 whole square 44. 1 in hand. Original number 88 minus 12, that is 76. And then 76 plus 1. Every time in hand 1 will be added. That is a carry 1. So 76 plus 1, that is 77. That is original number minus reduction plus in hand. Plus in hand. Plus in hand, right? Plus in hand. That is a similar thing, right? Original number plus extra plus in hand. Step 3. (98) whole square. How much less? That is 2. 2 whole square minus 2 whole square, 4, that is 04. We have to put here 04. Original number 98 minus 2, that is 96. 9604. Right? In case of step 2, 102 whole square. How much more? That is 2. 2 whole square, that is 04. Right? Every time there should be 2 places to put the result of the square. Now original number plus extra, that is 104. Clear? Right. Now we will go for the step 4. Step 4, 51 to 59. If we get some numbers from the range of 51 to 59, we can use step 4, which help us to solve the problems in a quicker way. 52 whole square. Right? This is the right hand and this is the left hand numbers. We will make the square of right hand numbers, that is 2. Right hand number, that is 2. 2 whole square, that is 4. You have to put 04. 2 place for the square of the numbers. Next, we will make the left hand number square. Left hand number 5, the square, that is 25. And we'll add the right hand numbers, that is 2, that is 27. My answer is 2704. That means this part right hand side square and this part left hand number square plus right hand. Left hand square plus right hand. You can take another numbers. 53 whole square. This is the right hand number and this is the left hand number. Right hand number square, that is 09. Left hand square plus right hand. Left hand 5 whole square, that is 25 plus 3, 28. 2809. Right? We can consider 54 whole square. This is right hand and this is left hand. Right hand square 4 whole square, that is 16. Clear? Left hand square plus right hand. Left hand square 5 whole square, that is 25 plus 4, 29. Yes, we can solve that numbers, or we can make the number of the square with the help of AB method also. Right? That is A dot V is 2AB, that B square. How many operation if you want to use the step 1, right? That is step operation 1, B square. Next 2 into A into B. There is another 2 into A into B. That is 2. Operation number 1, then operation number 2, and then A square. How much operation is here? There is 4 steps is here, right? But if you want to use the step 4 in case of 51 to 59, so only there are the 2 steps, right hand square, right, left hand square plus right hand, that is the 3 steps. So that is the step 3 and this is the step 4. So in that way we can save at least 2 to 3 seconds every time in the examination, especially for the competitive examination, when you will sit for the IIT exams or the medical or NET or SLET, that every second is more valuable than any hours of your regular life. So we have to save the minutes or the seconds every time. Right, step 4. 56 whole square. Take your note. There is right hand side square and there is left hand, right? Right hand square, that is 36. Right hand square, that is 36. Left hand square plus right hand. Left hand square, that is 25 plus 6, 31. That is left hand square plus right hand. So your number should be 51 to 59. 51 to 59. So with the help of the step 4, we can solve then any numbers of the range of 51 to 59. Next, step 5. Another interesting steps. We know the numbers 35 whole square, 45 whole square, 55 whole square, 65 whole square, 75 whole square, 95 whole square, 125 whole square, and 135 whole square. What is the phenomena? What is the characteristics of the specific these numbers? There is 1 5 in unit place, right? 5, 5, 5, and 5. When the numbers in the unit place will be the 5, so we will use the step 5. How we will solve? Yes, we will make the right hand square, that is 5 square, that is 25. What is the numbers next immediate to number 3? Write that 4. We will multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. That is the answer, right? Again we will make the right hand side square, that is 5 square, that is 25. What is the next immediate number of the 4? That is 5. 5 into 4, 20. That is the answer, right? Again this right hand side square, that is 25. What is the next immediate number of the 5? That is 6. We will multiply 6 and 5, that is 30. This is number, answer. 25 into 7, 42. This is the number, answer, right? 56, this is the answer. 25, and that's 90. That is the right hand side square, and this is left hand number into left hand number plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, right? That is left hand number into left hand number plus 1, plus 1. Next immediate number, what will be happen in case of 1 to 5 whole square? 25. 12 into 13. Try to memorize or try to visualize the numbers, step 2 of multiplication. 1 2 into 1 3. That is the next immediate number, 13. So 13 into 2, 12, 3 into 2, 6, and 2 into 3, that is 5, and that is 1, 1, 5, 6, right? Now the stage of mind would help you to visualize this number in front of you, the eye. That is 12 into 13. Try to memorize the steps, visualize the steps. Step 1, 6 and this 3, 2, that is 5 and 1, 1, 5, 6, and that is the answer. 135 whole square, right answer square, 25. 13 into 14, 3 into 4, 2 for the 182. Right? Actually, I am trying to visualize that number. 4 into 2, that is 2. Right? 4 into 1, 7, 3, 7 plus 1, 8, and that's 182. That is 18225. That is the answer. Right? So my formula will be right answer square and then left hand number into left hand number plus 1. Yes. Step 5. 215 whole square. Actually, in case of any numbers where the unit place is the 5, we can take the help of step 5 to make the square of the numbers, right? So 5 whole square, 25. 21 into 22, right? That is 2, that is 4 plus 2, 6, and then 4, right? So I can visualize this number also. 21 into 2, that is 2, that is 4 for 5, and that's 462. 462 25, right? 462, that means 22 into 21, that is, this is the left hand number, right? And into left hand number plus 1, next immediate number. That is the formula, and this right hand side square. Clear? Now step 6. Yes, another interesting part of that step 6, 204 whole square, right? We can make the similarity of that step 2. In case of 104, what is the base? That is 100. How much more? That is 4. The 4 whole square, that is 16. Original number plus 4, that is 108. Right? How much more? In case of 204, how much more of 200? That is 4 whole square, that is 16. And original number plus 4, 208. Right? Like this. But you will get the 0. What will be the results? Yes, just try to understand this process. This is extra whole square, right? And that original number plus extra plus in hand. Just we will put another numbers, that is here the B, that is basis, right? So when the 100 will be my base, B will be 1. When the 200 will be the base, B should be 2. When the 300 is the base, B should be 3. How will put here the 1, 2, and 3? Right. In case of 104, how much more? That is 4 whole square, that is 16. Right? 16. In case of 100, original number 104 plus 4 base. In case of 100, B equal to 1, that's into 1 plus in hand, right? So as the 1048 into 1, if you multiply by 1 to any number, it will be the same. So in case of 100, it is not compulsory to mention the multiplication of 1, right? But in case of the 200, now the value of B will be 2, that is into 2. Right? So the form of the mathematics will be 200 is the base. How much more? That is 4, that is 16. That is clear. Original number 204. Original number 204 plus extra, right? Into B. In case of 1, when we consider the 100 is the base, when we consider the 200, the value of B will be into 2, 204 plus 4, 208 into 2, 416. That is the answer. Right? This is the basic difference when we consider the 100 as a base, 200 is the base, or the 300 is the base. Right? Again, I will try to clear the whole the things. Step 6. Try to understand the steps 106 whole square. Right? How much more? That is 6, 36. That is extra whole square. Clear? And the original number 106, and how much more? That 6 will add 112. My formula was original number plus extra plus in hand. Here the in hand is 0. There is no question of adding 0. Right? 112. Just now I am putting one formula, that is into B, that is basis. When we will consider the 100, the base will be 1. When we will consider the 200, B equal to 2. So in case of that 100, 106 plus 6 into 100, 112 into 100. In case of this step, multiplication of 1, there is no role of the change of the value or the multiplication numbers. So just I avoid this reasons into 1. But in case of 200 is the base. How much more? That is 16. Original number plus how much more? 212. In case of base 1, it should be 2. 2 into 1, 212 into 2, that is 42436. This is the answer. Right? This is the basic difference between the step 2 and the steps 6. So in case of the step 6, we can apply 2012 to 225. This is the application range of the numbers, right? 201 to 225. Right, I think it will be clear. If we go ahead to step 7. Step 7, 306 whole square. Right? So my base will be 300. In case of 100, B equal to 1. In case 200, B equal to 2. In case of 300, B equal to 3. Right? Now my formula will be 300 is the base. How much more? That is 6. That is 36. Right? The original number 306 plus 6, 312. What is the base? The 300 is the base. The into 3. 312 into 3. 300 into 3, 900. 12 into 3, 36. That is 93636. My answer is 93636. 304 whole square. How much more of the 300? That is 4, 16. Original number 304 plus 4, 308 into 3. 300 into 3, 900. 8 into 3, 8 into 3, right? 24, 924. Right? So again, this is the extra whole square, and this number will be the formula original number plus extra plus in hand. Here should be the base. 311 whole square. What is the more? 311. 11 whole square 212, that is a 2 1 in hand. 311 plus 11, 322 into 3, 300 into 3, 900, 22 into 3, 966 plus 1, 96721. This is the answer. Right? So we can apply this number from 301 to 325, as we are all aware about it. 11 into 11 to 25 into 25, right? Okay, so it will be a good one. I will give some homework for you, so it will help you to practice more, right? Take the notes of the homework. (43) 94, 83 into 96, 87 into 36. Yes, just you have to avoid one habit from the childhood, that when you will be add, you will try to add in that way, 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, when we will add, this is a 12 plus 14, right? So 12 plus 4, that is 16, plus 10, that is 26, right? We will add in that way. 12 plus 4, that is 16, plus 10, that is 26. When we will add 13 plus 7, right? 13 plus 12, or 13 plus 14, right? 13 plus 14, don't go to count in that way, because this is a habit from your childhood. You have to avoid these things. 13 plus 14, 13 plus 4, 17, plus 10, 27, right? 36 plus 13, 36 plus 3, 39, plus 10, 49. Don't go in that way, right? So your finger will be finished and you will not able to reach to add results, right? Next problem, 324 216, 4232 3231, 6243 3223. 4321 322, this is 0. 23436. Next problem, 94 whole square, 307 whole square, 207 whole square, 313 whole square, 205 whole square, 235 whole square. This is step 5. That is step 5. You have to take care of that step 5, 235. Because if you consider that the base 200, how much more, that is 35 whole square. We are not aware about the square of 35 whole square. So our range should be 2012 to 225. Right? Last problem, 92 whole square, 88 whole square. Yes. So again we will meet in the next maths class. Yes. So I think all of you are enjoying the maths, how we can solve the maths in a quicker way, in a speedy. We have to nursing this practice. We have to nurture the system of the maths, because it needs the passions, it needs the focus. So I think we have to transform the mind also, right, to see the numbers visible. And I think all of you are the young, when you will go through the practice, you will be able, 100% of the students will be able to calculate all the maths in that way. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's such a pleasure to have sir with us. Just let me give you a quick secret. See, maths is something which you cannot push aside, how much you try, because maths is going to stay with us till we leave. So let's make friendship with it, let's not fight with it. So these tricks of magic was to ensure and help you to rekindle the relationship that you have with your maths. So keep enjoying doing that. We will be coming back sooner after a while with Professor Samit Ray sir, as well as with new tricks of magical maths. Till then, keep practicing and be with us. Thank you.